Somnath, the famous pilgrimage and tourist destination of India, located 400 kilometers from Ahmedabad. The Somnath Mahadev temple is the first among the 12 Adi jyotirlings in India, where Shiva is believed to have appeared as a fiery column of light. The history of Somnath temple signifies that the power of reconstruction is always greater than the power of destruction. The present temple, reconstructed in Chalukya style of Hindu temple architecture, will fascinate you with its intricate carving. The infinite horizon that can be seen from the temple premises is overwhelming. The temple provides a spiritual experience, connecting us to the divine power. Come, immerse into the eternal and sacred destination, Somnath.
Come back to life. Come to Gujarat.